Enhance your entry experience with our state-of-the-art exterior panoramic sliding door, featuring a seamless blend of innovation and versatility. This meticulously designed door not only adds a touch of modern sophistication to your space, but also offers the convenience of both motorized and manual operation, allowing you to tailor your access preferences with ease. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking views that our panoramic sliding door provides, seamlessly connecting your indoor and outdoor spaces. The motorized option ensures effortless and silent operation, allowing you to control the door's movement with the touch of a button. This cutting-edge technology not only enhances your lifestyle, but also adds a touch of luxury to your home or commercial environment. For moments when you desire a more hands-on approach, the manual option provides a reliable and traditional method of operating the door. This thoughtful inclusion ensures that you have flexibility in how you interact with your living spaces, catering to your preferences and adapting to various scenarios. For this panoramic sliding door sash, the biggest dimension is 3 meters wide and 3 meters high. Crafted with precision and using high-quality materials, our exterior panoramic sliding door is not just a functional element, but also an aesthetic enhancement. The sleek design and durable construction make it a stylish addition to any architectural setting, whether it's a contemporary residence. Experience the perfect synergy of form and function with our exterior panoramic sliding door, where advanced technology meets timeless design. Elevate your living or working space with a door that redefines the way you connect with the world outside.